Do you ever wish that your salads were a little bit more snackable? Well, today's your lucky day. We're taking 3 iconic salads and turning them into dips. First up, let's try the Greek salad on a pita chip. It's good. It's good. I prefer a Greek salad to this one, but it's good. You should try it. Chicken Caesar salad on a crostini. The prosciutto was the right choice. Let me try it again. That's really tasty. I didn't crisp up my crostini. A flop.
Oh, no audio, I guess.
Let's try the Cobb salad. Oop, the bacon. I love bacon. Wow. Incredible. Oh my God, that is so good. I'm not a big fan of blue cheese. That is absolutely delicious. Let's rank them. Number 1, hands down, the house down boots. This one is absolutely delicious. Number 2, I would go with the Caesar. I love all the components. Super easy, super quick. Yum, 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 yum. Greek salad, it's good. I'd rather have a Greek salad. Should I say that about my own recipe? I don't know. Until next time, keep it fresh, keep it flavorful, and keep dipping.